Hey there, gardeners! Welcome back to another episode of the Lawn and Garden Channel. As the leaves start to fall and the days get shorter, it's a clear sign that autumn is upon us. This season is the perfect time to prep your lawn and garden for the cooler months ahead, ensuring they remain healthy and vibrant. Welcome to the Lawn and Garden Channel, your go-to source for all things green and growing. Today I'm sharing essential fall lawn and garden tips to ensure your outdoor space is ready to thrive come spring. Let's dive right in. First up, lawn care. Your lawn needs some extra attention as it prepares for winter. Start by aerating your lawn. This simple task allows air, water, and nutrients to penetrate the soil more effectively, promoting healthier grass. You can use a manual aerator or rent a machine for larger areas, depending on the size of your lawn. Next, overseed your lawn. Spreading grass seed over your existing lawn can fill in thin areas and give you a lush green carpet next year. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. Don't forget to fertilize. A fall fertilizer rich in potassium will help your grass store energy and develop strong roots for the coming cold. This is crucial for a healthy lawn. When it comes to mowing, lower the height of your mower gradually. Aim for about 2 to 2.5 inches. This height helps the grass withstand the winter better. And of course, keep those leaves raked up. A thick layer of leaves can suffocate your grass and lead to fungal diseases, so it's important to keep your lawn clear. Now let's switch gears to garden care. Fall is the ideal time to plant bulbs for spring blooms. Think daffodils, tulips, and crocuses. These bulbs need the cold winter months to bloom beautifully in spring. Plant them now, and you'll be rewarded with a burst of color when winter fades. It's a wonderful way to anticipate the coming season. It's also a great moment to divide perennials. This not only revitalizes the plants, but also gives you more plants to spread around your garden, enhancing its beauty and health. Apply a layer of mulch to protect your soil and roots from the cold. Mulch helps retain moisture and keeps weeds at bay too. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain your garden's health. Light pruning of certain plants will help them grow back stronger next season. Just be careful not to prune too much, as it can stress the plant. Pruning should be done thoughtfully. Harvest any remaining vegetables and store them properly. Some can be canned, while others can be stored in a cool, dark place. Proper storage ensures you enjoy your harvest for months to come. Add any plant material to your compost pile. This is a great way to recycle nutrients back into your garden soil, enriching it for future planting. Finally, protect your plants from harsh winter weather. Covering them with burlap or using a cold frame can help them withstand the chill. This extra step can make a big difference in their survival. And there you have it. Follow these tips, and your lawn and garden will be in great shape to burst forth in spring. You'll be amazed at the results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Lawn and Garden Channel. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Happy gardening. See you next time.